Ever wonder how to turn your Pinterest obsession into a money-making venture? Welcome to this guide that unravels the mystery of Pinterest affiliate marketing, a path to earning right from the comfort of your home. Kicking off, what exactly is Pinterest affiliate marketing? It's a simple process where you promote other people's products on your Pinterest boards and earn a commission on every sale that comes from your link. Let's dive into the process step by step. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step towards becoming a successful Pinterest affiliate marketer is to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. Step 2. Join an affiliate program. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to join an affiliate program that offers products in that niche. Step 3. Create Pinterest boards. After joining an affiliate program, create Pinterest boards related to your niche. These boards will serve as a platform to display the products you're promoting. Step 4. Use affiliate links. Now it's time to use your affiliate links. Add these links to the pins you create that showcase the products you're promoting. Step 5. Promote your pins. The final step is to promote your pins to ensure they reach a larger audience. You can do this by engaging with other users, joining group boards, and using relevant keywords in your pin descriptions. Now, it's time to get busy pinning and earning. To summarize, Pinterest affiliate marketing is a lucrative way to earn money from home. It involves choosing a niche, joining an affiliate program, creating Pinterest boards, using affiliate links, and promoting your pins. Remember, the key to success in Pinterest affiliate marketing is consistency and engagement. So keep pinning, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep earning. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of Pinterest affiliate marketing. Here's to your success in turning your Pinterest passion into a profitable venture.